If you ever Googled how to earn money online, you've probably seen hundreds of clickbait promises. But here's the reality. The people who actually make money online are not chasing trends. They're building systems. And today, I'm going to break down 4 of those systems that you can start today. Each section builds on the last, and if you stay until the end, I'll show you how to actually combine all of them into a complete income system that compounds over time. First is high yield savings account. If you have money sitting in a regular checking account, it's probably earning close to 0 interest, and that is a problem. A high yield savings account flips that. It is the easiest way to make money start working for you without doing anything new. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. How much could a high yield savings account really make me? Here's the truth. It won't make you rich overnight, but it does build the habit that separates people who keep money versus those who lose it. And if you keep just $5,000 in a high yield savings account that earns around 4.5% APY, that's around $225 a year for literally doing nothing. Now, $225 is not life-changing, but imagine this. You're earning this while you sleep, while your friend's money is just sitting in a traditional bank earning 0.01%. So this is your first step, not a business, not a side hustle, just a foundation. You're training money to earn money. Second is index funding. Once your money has a safe place to sit, it's time to put it to work. That's where index funds come in. An index fund is basically just a big basket of the world's biggest companies. Think like Apple, Amazon, Google, all in one place. You're not just betting on one company, you're betting on the economy as a whole. Here's why this matters. Historically, index funds have returned around 10% a year on average. That means your money doubles roughly every 7 years without adding anything else to it. This isn't day trading, this isn't gambling, it's just patience. Let's say you invest $500 a month, just $500 in an index fund that earns 10% a year. In 10 years, that's around $102,000. In 20 years, it's $380,000. And in 30 years, it'll be 1.1 million. And that's how real wealth grows, quietly in the background, while everyone else is just chasing the next hot stock. It's not exciting, I know, but that's exactly why it works. Now, let's move on to something that is exciting because this next thing can start paying you literally this month. Third is affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing gets thrown around a lot, but here's the truth. You recommend something that you already use, someone buys that product through your link, you get paid. That's it. Here's where people go wrong. They spam random links for products that they don't actually care about. That's how you destroy trust. If you want to do it right, only recommend products that you genuinely use. That's what builds your credibility. And credibility is realistically just the biggest currency that we have on the internet. So if you ever posted about a tool, an app, a book, or just even a piece of gear that you use, this is your chance to turn your word into income. Last is digital products. Now let's talk about where things get a little bit more scalable. This is where you stop trading time for money and start building something once that you can actually sell forever. It could be an ebook, a course, a fitness plan, anything that solves a small specific problem for a lot of people online. Think about something that you already know how to do. Can you package that into something digital? If the answer is yes, you actually got yourself an asset. And here's the best part. There's no shipping, no inventory, no logistics. You create it once and the internet does the rest. So let's put it all together. Now that you've seen all 4, here's how you can actually combine them. Number 1, start with stability. Use a high yield savings account to protect your cash. Number 2, invest long-term in index funds for wealth growth. Number 3, build credibility through affiliate marketing by sharing tools that genuinely help people. And number 4 is scale income with digital products, once you know your audience's problems. Each step builds on the other, and together they form an income ecosystem. You're saving smart, investing smart, and earning smart. And that combination is what separates people who dabble online from those who actually make it. So if you're serious about earning money online, start with just 1 step today. You don't need all 4 at once. You just need momentum. And hey, if this video helped you see money differently, drop a like, share it, and subscribe because I'm dropping videos every week.